September 12th, the 256th day of the year, is celebrated worldwide as Programmers' Day to signify the positive changes that programmers make to improve the world. 3 years ago, the Department of Computer Science, Banaras Hindu University, decided to celebrate this day as the annual Tech Fest of the department. Since then, we have all worked very hard to make this event better and more competitive. Hello everyone, I'm Tanusri Nath on behalf of the Sanganan team, and I welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of Sanganan 2020, the annual Tech Fest of the Department of Computer Science, Banaras Hindu University. Now, in this lockdown, it was quite hard for us to conduct this event. But with the help of our teachers, seniors, and juniors, we have tried to give it our best. We hope you all will like it. So, let's start the ceremony with some warm greetings, wishes, and messages received from our respected teachers and alumni. Without their blessings and support, this event would not have been possible. So, let's see them.
Dear students, I am happy to know that you are organizing Sangaran 2020 despite of epidemic COVID-19. I appreciate your effort. Best of luck, all of you. Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh, Department of Computer Science.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Banaras Hindu University. First of all, I want to thank all the participants who are participating from different colleges in Sanganan this year. I know that it is a tough time for all of us due to the pandemic, but the interest and enthusiasm that you have shown is phenomenal. You know, one important property of programmers are they never give up, right? So I request you to unleash the programmer inside you, and I request you to never give up. If you stick with this attitude of not giving up, you will surely achieve amazing things in your life, right? And lastly, I want to congratulate each member of the organizing team of the Sanganan. In earlier events, I have already told, and now I am repeating the same, that you guys are doing a thankless job. Thank you very much. And for all the participants, do your best, and all the best to everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, from Computer Science Fraternity of Banaras Hindu University. Myself, Dr. Sudhakar Singh, Assistant Professor in Computer Science at the Department of Electronics and Communication, University of Allahabad. I am an alumnus of Department of Computer Science, BHU, and I did MCA from there in 2010 and then PhD in 2016. I also worked at the department as a guest faculty till June 2018. Few days back, I came to know through Shivam that you people are organizing the technical festival Sanganan 2020. I congratulate to all the organizing members and all the students of the department for organizing this event. It is really a very great thing to know that you are so active virtually in this pandemic situation and also involved in learning and making the things alive. It also gives me an immense pleasure to know that this event is being organized on the International Programmers Day. I have seen in the information browser that competitive programming is the main event of Sanganan, and it is really a very good choice, as many big companies nowadays are hiring through competitive programming. So it is a nice effort to be up to date according to the recent trends. So I give my best wishes for the grand success of this event, and I hope you will enjoy and learn many new things from this event. Best of luck and thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Devasish Maji, BHU MCA 2016 batch pass out. First of all, let me ask you if everything is going good. Actually, it's a very tough year for each and everyone, and I believe Sangaran is something which is making count in positive side. So, thanks to all of the organizing committee members as well as the participants. We all know getting really good at something isn't easy. It takes perseverance, hard work, and years of commitments. And I really believe all of you have a glorious past. And now it's the time to establish the firm pillars to make your future better and the world a better place. I personally believe coding skill is such a pillar. And the events like Sangaran is the platform which ignites the competitive mindset and rejuvenates the coding culture. Don't be disheartened by the initial failures. You are not a programmer if you never failed. And trust me, it's absolute bliss to see the words like accepted or green tick marks. If you are still listening to me, I firmly believe that you have got enough enthusiasm to participate in this event. So don't worry, just jump into the event, make it a great success. So thanks to all of you, best of luck and have fun.
Thank you, respected teachers and alumni, for your kind blessings and wishes. Thank you for your inspiring words. I would also like to thank all of you for participating in this event and making it a huge success. So let me give you a brief description of the event. So the event consists of two contests. The first one is called CodeOps, which is a coding contest consisting of 4 questions. It will be conducted from 12 noon to 2 p.m. on HackerRank. The second one is called Tech Hunch, which is a quiz contest that will enhance your general knowledge in the field of computer science. It will be conducted from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Hacker Earth. The link to both is given in the description as well as on our Facebook page. So, let us conclude the ceremony by again thanking our respected teachers, our seniors, our batchmates, and our lovely juniors for their enthusiasm and participation. Also, the coding contest is about to start soon. So, I would like to request all of you to go to the portal and get yourself familiar with the interface. So, let's see you in the contest. Goodbye and all the best.